Easy Ice Rinks. Believe it or not, you can set up an ice rink in just 60 minutes. This cool system from Easy Ice is perfect for putting together a backyard rink. It's made of plastic pieces that fit together like a Lego set, but even easier since they're all the same and snap together effortlessly. For safety, it's held in place with nylon ropes. The newer version has taller sides, which slightly change how it's assembled. The pieces stack between support posts and have soft foam covering any sharp edges. Plus, there's a net over the goal for added protection. The folks at Easy Ice trust their customers' aim, but even pros can send the puck flying. The starting price for the rink is Clearlight $2,550. Clearlight. An infrared sauna is quite different from a wood-fired one, just like an electric motor differs from an internal combustion engine. This type of sauna can be turned on with a simple button press and is ready to use right away. It doesn't need fuel. If you unplug it, it stops working. Clearlight claims that these saunas speed up metabolism, aid in weight loss, ease joint pain, normalize heart function, and overall protect the body from various illnesses. Once it's on, just sit back on the bench and experience the power of the rays. Clearlight offers saunas in 3 sizes, single, double, and triple, so you can host many friends at once. Bruno Elite Curved Outdoor Stair Lift. This invention targets a specific audience, the elderly. It's an elevator designed to replace stairs, especially in country houses with staircases that are situated on hilly terrain. To make sure stairs don't become a barrier, you can get this elevator by Bruno. Each one is custom made to fit the staircase size. It looks like a sleek monorail gently carrying the chair up or down. There are different seat options, from simple backless ones to large padded seats, all equipped with seat belts. Controls are on the seat handle. When the ride ends, the elevator turns 90 degrees for easy exit. It might not thrill youngsters since it can't go too fast, but it's perfect for its intended users. Suncast Backyard Oasis. Getting the garden ready for a party is a piece of cake. First up, you need a bar, preferably a mobile one. The Suncast bar is made of pressed resin and plastic, making it suitable for any weather. It comes with drawers for dishes and utensils, plus a small fridge that fits a couple of cans of fan. Keter Patio Cooler and Beverage Cart. If you need to chill a lot more drinks, Keter's refrigerator compartment is the answer. It's spacious enough for champagne bottles and even a whole turkey. Keter also included sliding shelves for glasses and cutlery. The bar costs at least $1,300, and the refrigerator is $400. ASGLAPLATE Bodenschutzplatte / floor protection plate. Creating a parking space with gravel or asphalt isn't always easy, but there is a solution. You can use these plastic panels from the German manufacturer ASG. Each piece of this big jigsaw puzzle weighs 6.5 kilograms and is made of reinforced fiberglass. It can handle up to 12.5 tons on the ground and up to 40 tons on asphalt. It's not a quick job to lay these panels before a party with lots of cars, since it's a lengthy and labor-intensive process. However, if you need to accommodate a truck or crawl a tractor, this is the best option because fixing the ruts would be even harder. And of course, the panels are all-weather. TreePod, wouldn't it be nice to live in a beehive hanging from a tree branch and swaying in the breeze? The TreePod suspended house offers a similar sense of comfort and weightlessness. It's like a hammock and a tent at the same time. A house hangs from a thick branch or a special stand. The project creators noticed that tents on the ground can get chilly at night with moisture rising and freezing the ground. TreePod avoids this issue. Its sturdy fabric maintains its shape, making it more comfortable than a beehive since you won't have thousands of other guests buzzing around. Traeger Ironwood technology can make your favorite grill dishes even tastier, but this electronic device doesn't compromise the classic cooking process. You still get the crackle of wood, the heat of the coals, and the smell of the smoke. This grill, named Ironwood, uses fuel pellets, which is basically compressed sawdust. On its touchscreen, you can adjust the cooking mode and the temperature. Plus, there's remote control in the mobile app. Managing the grilling of veggies, poultry, and meat without leaving the couch is a whole new level of convenience. And cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the tray that has an ash hatch. It's the size of an oven, so you can even install it at home. The grill starts at $1,800. Inyo Pool's Leaf Eater Vacuum. If the cabana pool cover feels too bulky but you still want to remove leaves from the water, this special underwater vacuum cleaner could be the solution. Technologically, it's simple. The round body equipped with wheels and brushes connects to a garden hose and submerges into the pool, being held on a pole. The hose's jet is split by a nozzle, creating pressure like an aquarium snail. The vacuum cleaner moves across the bottom, sucking the leaves into a bag. It works slowly, so consider buying a longer handle and being patient. The vacuum cleaner is priced at $50. UKIAH Tailgater II. As the weather warms up and bonfire season kicks off, many of us enjoy spending evenings outside under the moonlight, listening to music and soaking in the atmosphere. But what about the smoke? Well, thanks to UKIAH's portable fire pit, you can say goodbye to that annoyance. The Tailgater II isn't just any fire pit, it also comes with built-in speakers and a subwoofer, adding a fun touch to your outdoor get-togethers.